Yeah, we're only talking to the robot because we don't have a human available at the moment. Humans are really good at pretending they are too busy. Let's see what we can do. So currently that's what it looks like. Yes, we have some results of the model and the text, but we would like for them to be more interactive. And while that's generating 2 responses, so why you could check the tools that we currently have available for you on the site. Which response do we prefer? Yeah, next steps are good.
It sounds like you've got a solid plan for organizing and documenting your model training and results. Let's break down what we've discussed and how to move forward. Adding the confusion matrix. We can integrate Sklern's confusion matrix function and Plotly for visualization into your code. This will allow you to visualize how well the model is performing across each class, seizure versus non-seizure. It's a powerful tool for understanding where the model might be making specific types of errors. To maintain a clear history of your model's performance across different runs, we'll modify the code so that every result, including plots and model files, is saved with a timestamp. This will be particularly useful if you decide to run the model multiple times, as it will allow you to track improvements or changes between runs. Capturing terminal output. We'll set up Python's logging module to capture all output, including print statements, to a text file. This log file can then be reviewed or published as part of your Flask application's interactive section. This step is critical to ensure that all data, including any unexpected behavior or anomalies during training, is recorded. Deployment strategy. When I mentioned deploy, I was referring to finalizing the model and its results for presentation, rather than deploying the model for inference in a production environment. In your case, deployment involves integrating the results, performance metrics, and visualizations into your Flask application. This will allow users to interactively explore the data and results. I'll update the code to include the confusion matrix using Plotly and save this plot alongside your existing accuracy and loss plots.
We actually have 2 versions of the training code. One is the original paper model as described a couple of years back, and they modified the parameters for the model, and they give, surprisingly, they give different results. So I'm not sure if we should be going into the details and the differences between the 2. It's essentially the same model, just different settings for it. What do you think? Okay, so we have updated code. We added confusion matrix, saving results with timestamps. Okay, logging terminal output. Static directory. The update script saves all the results directly to the static folder. That sounds really good. Should we just have a new file? Train better. This is the problem with file names. They start getting convoluted and they train better. And the previous version we had a whopping 235 lines of code. Okay, and this is shorter. And we have some errors. Yeah, it stuffed something up at the end of the code generation.